Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect gin daisy cocktail like a pro. The classic gin daisy cocktail is beautifully concocted with London dry gin, orange curacao, and citrus juice. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take an old-fashioned glass of about 10 ounces or 300 milliliters of capacity. Pour a little less than a quarter ounce of grenadine syrup. This will create a beautiful pink hue at the bottom of the glass. Now pack up the glass with crushed ice. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Pour 1½ ounces of London dry gin. This juniper-flavored spirit was created in the 16th century in Holland, to treat gastrological problems, and became immensely popular in England. Pour ½ ounce of Cointreau. If you don't have a Cointreau, use any orange-flavored liqueur of your choice. Pour ½ ounce of simple syrup. You can easily make perfect simple syrup at home, just by mixing an equal part of sugar and water. Lastly, pour 1 ounce of lime mix. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now dry shake all the ingredients, and pour over the crushed ice. I will be happy if you try this cocktail with your friends, and share your experience with me. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now take a bar spoon, and slowly stir to create a beautiful pink hue at the bottom of the glass. Pour a splash of chilled soda on the top. Add little crushed ice, so that it looks better. Now finish it with a fresh lemon wheel and a mint sprig. Jeff, your favorite gin daisy cocktail is now ready for you. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.